Assalamu alaikum students. In the previous lecture we learned the whole lesson number 10, and now come to page number 86. Now it is time to do the exercise. Come to the bottom of the page. Here we have question and answers. It is part 1 and you have to solve 7 question and answers, and you have to write down the answers of the questions in your copy. First one is, why is it said that Lahore is the heart of Pakistan? And the answer is, Lahore city is the capital of the province of Punjab. It is centrally situated and is generally known as the heart of Pakistan. The second question is, what is the total population of Lahore? Answer is, the total population of Lahore is 6.5 million. Third question, write a short note on historical background of Lahore. The answer is, the city dates back to 850 AD. It was taken over by Mahmud Ghaznavi in 1020 AD. In Mughal period, it got many historical buildings, gardens, mosques, tombs, and pavilions. Its historical names were Lahnur, Lohpur, etc. Fourth question is, how many historical buildings and places are present in Lahore? Write a detailed note on them. So we will have to give the answer in detail. The answer is, one of the most famous architectures of the city is known as the Lahore Fort, which was built during Mughal rule by Akbar the Great. This king also constructed the city walls, which had 12 gates. Some of these gates exist even today. Jahangir, the son of Akbar, and Shah Jahan, the son of Jahangir, have been the builders of Shalimar Garden in Lahore. They also constructed many tombs and places. Another great Mughal ruler, Aurangzeb, constructed another famous building in Lahore, which is known as Badshahi Mosque. Then we have fifth question. Why is Lahore called the city of gardens? Discuss. The answer is, Lahore is called the city of gardens because it is home to many gardens. Sixth question is, some important educational institutes are discussed in the lesson. Name them. Answer is, Lahore is also an educational center with many schools and colleges. Government College University, National College of Arts, and Punjab University are some of the oldest seats of learning. Question number 7. Write the exact location of Lahore according to longitude and latitude. The answer is, the exact location of the district is 31 degree to 34 degree north latitude and 74 degree to 20 degree east longitude. Well, students, this first part is done. Now come to next page. Here we, at the top in the page 87, we have part B. You have to complete the sentences. Number 1. Lahore city is located on the bank of river Ravi. In 1021 AD, Mahmud Ghaznavi took over Lahore. Third one, the population of Lahore is 6.5 million. Fourth, Lahore fort was built during the rule of Akbar. 5. Badshahi Mosque was built during the rule of Aurangzeb. And 6. One Minar-e Pakistan was built in the memory of Pakistan Resolution of 1940. 7. Lahore is also an educational center. Now come to part C. You have to put tick on the true statements and cross on the false ones. Number 1. Lahore city is the province of KPK. So it is false. Karachi is known as the heart of Pakistan. It is cross. It's false. Third, Lahore is famous for its poets, artists, foods, colleges, universities, and culture. The statement is true. Fourth, Lahore is the fourth largest city of Pakistan. It is wrong. Fifth, beautiful constructions of Lahore are not only divine and beautiful but also great tourist attraction for the city. The statement is true. Sixth one, Wabda building is a single story building. It is false. Seventh one, Anarkali Bazaar is famous for shopping. It is true. Class 7, you have to do all these parts, part A, B and C on your copies. And one thing more, next, use the following words in your sentences. This part, here you have got few words, you have to make their sentences. It is your homework. So you have to do all this work in your copies. Thank you.